Stop drawing if you don't know this. That's
Welcome
why.
to Ecom Creative Hands. My name is Ikomoga and I'm a creative pen artist.
Before we continue, if you want to grow in your art or in drawing, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's continue. Okay, let's use still life drawing for example. I'm going to draw a lamb and right in front of me now, and we are going to apply the principles of drawing, the elements of drawing. One of them is line. Maybe if you have any question, comment in the comment section below, or you want me to create a video for other types of drawing, let's see it in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. Like always, first start with your outline, then because this is where you are going to use the vertical lines and the horizontal line. Let's continue. Now, so many people draw without knowing what drawing entails, and of course it's going to give you some difficult challenges when you start drawing. So some people draw, and I think and I feel they don't know the meaning of drawing. They don't know what they're doing. So that is why this session is very important. When you know what drawing means, I believe it is going to affect your creative process. So drawing is the act of using lines to define the shape of an object. You heard that right? So it is the act of representing figures or pictures or images in a piece of paper, which is of course your medium. So drawing is why there is no drawing without a piece of paper, and there is also no drawing without a pen or pencil or brushes, etc. And then of course one of the most important elements of art is line, which is going to be applied. Of course, you are going to use it in your drawing. There's no how you can do a good drawing without using line in your drawing. That's why I'm going to explain what line is in this context, in the context of drawing. So line is used to define the shape of an object. Are you seeing what I'm doing in the video? A line is used to define the shape of an object, and these lines, they come in different types and forms. That's when we talk about the types of line, which is vertical lines, horizontal lines. We have spiral lines. We have parallel lines. We have contour lines, and so many other lines. We have horizontal line or angular or oblique lines. Those are types of lines. So in this shape now, this is the line, this is vertical, this is horizontal line, this is a vertical line, and this is horizontal line again. And this is what an angular line or a parallel line. So there's no how you can complete your drawing without using these types of line. And we say that a line is used to define the shape of an object. A line is like a mark that is made by movement of the hand holding pencil, pen or brush in a piece of paper, canvas or wall. So that is what line is. So if you understand how a line is very, very important, if you understand drawing, you know that line is the foundation of art. Before any drawing is being created, it starts with the process of what line. So it's very important, and that is when you now apply the principles of arts and design. Take note of that. So a line is very important. So let's continue. So there's so many types of drawing. We have still life drawing, we have nature drawing, we have imaginative drawing. This one is called the creative drawing, that involve drawing from memory. Example of this kind of drawings are like book illustration. Yes, these people or illustrators, they picture a kind of story and then they put them into paper without getting involved in that scene, but they begin to picture it and then they apply. So that is imaginative drawing. And then we have life drawing. Of course, life drawing is a drawing of human beings or figures. It's also involved the study of different parts of the body and how they are related to one another. Yes, these are life drawing. Also, you can see life drawing is a drawing you are taking at that moment, not from reference, not from picture, but from a standing figure, a model. That is a word, life drawing. Then nature drawing, of course, man-made objects. For example, trees, birds, goats, cats, fish, etc. Yeah. Drawing from nature. That is what life drawing is. And then still life drawing, of course, these are drawings that are made from man-made objects. It is also the drawing of non-living things. For example, we have pots, cup, books, etc. These are still life drawing. So understand the type of drawing you are doing. Is it figure drawing? Is it still life drawing? Is it nature drawing? If you want to grow in your arts and in drawing, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.